Children are not safe in our communities and are continually exposed to all forms of abuse, defilement, sexual exploitation, trafficking, bullying, cyberbullying, child labor, domestic violence, early child marriages, and gender-based violence. We live in an unsafe public spaces, poor lit streets, and inadequate policing, which puts us at a greater risk. Lack of accessible reporting mechanisms, trained counselors, and child-friendly support services is also a concern for us. Children face numerous mental health and psychosocial issues, but with little or no support. We therefore request for stronger law enforcement, harsher punishment for perpetrators, community awareness programs, safer schools and recreational spaces, and expansion of protective services, especially at the family level.